Hi, this is Jimmy Tate. I'm just going to show you how to do Drive real quick. So, I have my course theme folder and I have my other folder, which my other folder will be for all my other projects in EDCI 270. And I can quickly access them by hitting this button, so I can get multiple folders up and running. And then if I hit this, then I can share it with a link, which copies it to my clipboard. I can share it with another user, such as my other account. And I can just remove it from my folder list. I can also do different customizations like rename it, change the colors, really do anything I would like to do with it. If I want to add a new document to here, all I have to do is click new, then I can do any sort of the Google Docs, and then I can create and share it.